So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add page columns here inside of Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Microsoft Word document. Once that is done, go to the top left where the Home tab is selected. Simply just go a little bit to the right to where it says Layout right here in between Design and References and press on Layout. Now once you're on the layout screen where it says columns right here in between size and breaks, press on the drop down right here. Now you can add multiple different columns to your document. So by default, you actually only have one column, but if you want to maybe make this into like 3 columns right here, you can do this. So I'll just search up, I'll just type in the word column right here. I'll copy and paste it a bunch of times just so you guys can see what exactly I mean by this. Just like that. So there's column number 1. If I were to go all the way down just like that, if I were to keep going, column number 2 is going to start just like that. And if I were to keep going right here, column number 3 should start just like that. So pretty straightforward, super simple. This is how to add or subtract different columns, or add columns, I guess I should say, to a document here in Microsoft Word. You can go back to 2 if you want. You can go back to 1. Whatever the case may be, it is completely up to you. So as I mentioned before, super simple, super straightforward. I hope this video helps. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.